Jingle bells ringing in.
Hey, I did here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I'm a full-time working mom. I like to save money. We like to travel to places like Disney. We love Disney around here, right? In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along for Christmas tree decorating.
Yeah!
Yeah, she's going to help me. She does have to go down for a nap, so she's probably going to get the tail end of this. Anyway, let's just jump right in. So we're starting this video off by taking the tree out of the box and putting the skirt on. So this is my second year with an artificial tree. I've always had a real tree. Even when we were growing up, we had a real one. We used to cut our tree down growing up every year. So actually 2 years ago, we just moved into this house and I got one on sale the day after Christmas at Walmart, and I think it was like $20. I'm kind of over it already, and I do miss my real tree, but I'm going to make the most of it so we can try to save money because this girl wants to go to Disney.
And if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight?
So I'm just here fluffing the layers out from being in the box, the little cramps in the artificial trees. I find that it's easier to do this by layer as you go rather than construct the tree together and then do it. I just feel like you get like a better looking artificial tree that way. So at this point I was struggling because the greenery got stuck in the little pole connector thing. So I called my stepdaughter Jules out of her room to come help me, and we managed to get it up right away. So some of you are probably going to start watching this part of my video and cringe. I don't know. I have trouble putting a beaded garland up. Every year I go through the same thing. I have to say it is much easier when you do have someone helping you on the other side. But I don't know what my stepdaughter was doing, and my husband was at work this day, so I was on my own because I couldn't count on the toddler. I think she was trying to help me, but anyway, I don't know. Is there a good trick? Like, what am I doing wrong here? Let me know in the comments if there's a better trick to do garland, or if this is just how it is, or if there's like a video or something I should watch.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
So hanging these ornaments I got actually at Walmart after Black Christmas, we call it the day after Christmas. I got them on sale on clearance last year. They are shatterproof, which are great for toddlers. I only picked up a 3-pack, but I was at Walmart yesterday and I noticed that they have the same ornaments again in a larger, I think it was maybe six
Let
this
me
year.
give you a
So if you like
Christmas.
them, they are, at least they were in
Mm,
my
filled
Walmart
with
anyway.
love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing
So I
on a
noticed
mistletoe,
like
baby,
half of
with
my
you.
ornaments were broken. I can't seem to part with them, but I know it's kind of like, what am I
Making plans
like
for what we're
keeping these from?
gonna
You
do.
know, I have
Guess
them
I'm
in
blessed
I keep them in
that
the
I can
box. I
be
don't put
with
them on the tree, but yeah,
you.
this one
God
was
knows
okay.
that
But
I've been longing
yeah,
for
I have
you.
so many
Just
ornaments that I've
wanna hold
broken
you
over the years because
close.
when I used to
Under
have
the
a real tree, there
stars,
was so many
shine
times we didn't
just for
have the
you.
base
Let's take a
properly,
walk.
like
Let me
the
follow
trunk
the
properly put in the
moonlight till we
base,
reach a place we
and it
can
would like
stay.
fall over in the middle of the
Maybe
night and
kiss
like
it
break
and
half my
dream
ornaments,
away.
which is kind of sad. But
And in a while we're gonna
yeah, I don't
go
know. So
inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
I
Moment
actually
filled
made
with
this
love and joy.
Scrabble
So
ornament. I
beautiful,
made them
kissing
in,
on
I
a
think,
mistletoe, baby,
2019 with my first
with
daughter,
you.
Scarlett. It's a great
I don't
activity
need
to do
any
with kids for like a
presents
Christmas kind of
as long
project.
as I
I
spend
might
this
try it
day
again
with
here with my
you.
toddler. It's
So
fairly
beautiful, kissing
inexpensive.
on a mistletoe, baby,
Yeah, and it's
with
cute
you.
because it's like an alternative to just using like, instead of just using a regular name tag, it's something different and they can actually save and put on the tree later. Yeah, I might, let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video maybe in December showing you how I did
And in
those.
a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a
So I get professional
Christmas.
Christmas pictures taken every
Moment
year,
filled with love
and
and
it's
joy.
really great. Like I
So
usually make
beautiful, kissing on a
ornaments for
mistletoe,
each of the
baby,
girls, and then
with
sometimes I'll
you.
do a family one
I
also.
don't need
I make
any
them a lot of times on
presents
Shutterfly.
as
This,
long
this
as I
particular one
spend
I think I
this
picked up
day
at
with
Target,
you.
but it's just
So
so great to
beautiful,
be able
kissing on a
to pull them out of the
mistletoe,
box
baby,
every year and
with
say, "Oh,
you.
look at how little you looked," or whatever. Anyway, it's just so nice to something to look back on. That's why one of the reasons why I love paying for professional pictures every year and doing this.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my
As you
mind.
can see, my mom saved a lot of ornaments, and this one was from 1981, if you could believe it, my first Christmas. I put it on one of the higher branches because if you're a toddler mom, you know. You do not want that broken, and I'm surprised that it survived all of the previous tree drops. But yeah, it's just so special.
I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
So you could probably tell by now if you've made it this far in this video, we're about 9 minutes in, that my tree is not a typical Pinterest looking Christmas tree. I just really love traditional trees. That's how I grew up with. We love putting like ornaments throughout the year. We don't like just say, hey, we're gonna have a pink tree this year. Like I really just enjoy making kids crafts and like just keeping everything over the years. My mom has saved a lot of things also, like little tags. from my previous gifts. So look at this. This one. This was from 1984. And so if you're confused, you'll see the tag was made out to Nikki. My middle name is Nicole. So growing up, everyone always called me Nikki because my mom thought Lauren was too much of a grown-up name for a baby. Anyway, that's the story of why I'm also called Nikki.
Wanna have someone to hold.
Well, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. I hope this gave you some kind of Christmas inspiration, or if anything, a good laugh. Got a lot of content coming your way for Christmas, so you're gonna want to stick around, so go ahead and hit that bell, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.